Struggling to get your products noticed on Amazon? You're running ads, but where are the sales? Well, this video is your shortcut to mastering Amazon ads and driving real results fast. Whether you're a beginner or scaling up, these pro tips will level up your strategy. Let's go! Welcome to IndeedSEO, your digital growth partner. Today, we're diving into how to drive consistent Amazon sales using expert ad strategies. We'll break down what most sellers are doing wrong, and more importantly, how you can get it right. The basics done right. Before we get into advanced tips, here's what every successful seller nails first. Proper product listing optimization. Ads won't work if your product title, images, and bullet points aren't compelling and keyword-rich. Winning the buy box. You must be competitive on pricing and fulfillment if you want your ads to convert. Using high-quality product images. Remember, visuals sell on Amazon. Use 6 to 7 clean, high-res photos with lifestyle shots. Expert-level ad strategies. 1. Start with sponsored products. These are the backbone of Amazon PPC. They're cost-effective and great for visibility. Start with automatic campaigns. Let Amazon gather data, then shift to manual targeting. 2. Master keyword targeting. Use long-tail keywords your ideal buyers are searching for. Tools like Helium 10 or Amazon's own suggestions are gold. 3. Product targeting ads. Target your competitors directly. Show your product on their listings. It's aggressive, and it works. 4. A/B test your ads weekly. Test different ad creatives, keywords, and bids. Don't set and forget Amazon ads is all about optimization. 5. Analyze with reports. Use Amazon's advertising reports to check which keywords are driving conversions. Bonus tips. Use negative keywords to cut wasted spend. Create separate campaigns for branded versus non-branded keywords. Schedule your ads during peak traffic times. Evenings and weekends convert better in most categories. Amazon ads can be a powerful sales machine if used right. Optimize your listings, refine your targeting, and keep testing. Want help running profitable Amazon ad campaigns? That's what we do at IndeedSEO, so reach out. Drop your product category below, and I'll reply with a tip tailored for your niche. And hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss your next sales breakthrough.